Namaste, I'm Divya and you are watching Passion Strokes. Today, I have come up with a very special edition which is specially designed for Karwa Chauth. In this video of mine, I am going to show you a very easy and simple trick to decorate your puja thali with products easily available at your home. I am going to use laces, glue gun and the beads which is easily available after Rakhi. So keep watching this video and you will get to know how simple it is to make this beautiful decoration. So before you start watching, let me just quickly give you a glimpse of how it has come out. Which I have used for channi. It's the same lace I have used for the plate and also for the glass. So if we are going for a theme or a concept, we have to make sure that we keep the concept consistent throughout the decoration. Do watch my entire video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please kindly press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever there is a new video in my channel. In order to make this channi, I had a very simple idea. I didn't want to use too much of changing in it, yet I wanted my channi to look very unique and very beautiful. So I have made use of just these simple laces which were available at home. So it's very easy and simple way of putting it all together. I have used 3 laces here and each of the laces are being placed one after the other in a sequence to give a very nice, beautiful finish. And you can also see the hangings which I have used. Hangings which I have used are 3 in numbers, and the centerpiece is little more elaborative than the other 2 in the side. Now it's time to decorate our glass. So, in order to decorate this glass, I have again used the same piece of lace and the same golden lace, but this time at the top, because when I want to hold because I want that glitter to be shown when I hold the glass, and at the same time when you are holding the glass, it should be more comfortable. That's the reason I have changed the sequence of putting this golden one at the top and the cotton lace at the bottom. Now it's time to decorate our puja thali. So when I was decorating this thali, I just wanted to make this thali look something different. In my previous video which I made last year, I had used a plain cloth at the base of the plate, and then I had used few of the stones and laces to decorate it. This time I wanted to do this plate entirely with the help of lace. So I have used the same broad lace, yellow lace which you can see, and I have divided it into 2 parts and kept my centerpiece it's the same centerpiece which I have used in my channi and glass, and this is going to give this plate a very unique and a very elegant look. Keep watching the entire making so that you can make one for yourself. I hope you loved my video, and if you did love it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, friends and family. And I will meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep celebrating each and every moment of life.